In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do bank reconciliation in ERPNext to keep your financial records accurate and up to date. First, log into your ERPNext account and go to the Accounts module. From there, search for Bank Reconciliation Statement and open it. Next, select the company and the bank account you want to reconcile. Then choose the statement date range based on your bank statement. Now, upload your bank statement file if available, or manually enter the reference number and clearing date for each transaction. ERPNext will automatically match transactions like payments, receipts, and bank charges. Review the matched entries carefully. If a transaction appears on your bank statement but not in ERPNext, you can create a new journal entry or payment directly from the reconciliation screen. Once everything matches correctly, mark the transactions as reconciled and save your changes. This ensures your bank balance in ERPNext matches your actual bank balance. That's it. You've successfully completed bank reconciliation in ERPNext. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the channel for more ERPNext accounting tutorials.